of God.
And these assembled witnesses.
With this ring I do well.
I give it as a token of my love for you.
I believe with all my heart
that this is forever.
You are to love Lauren as your own flesh. Never be bitter against her at any time, and dwell with her according to godly wisdom and godly principles, giving her honor. You are heirs together in the grace of life. It's to forgive regardless of who is right and who is wrong. Enjoy each other and fulfill the call of God on your lives, and you shall be one flesh. Lauren, will you agree to leave all outside influences in your life, including your family, and cleave to Mark as your husband?
I will.
I will.
A ring is a very special thing. It's a never-ending circle that represents the never-ending love of God. A love that never fails. It also signifies the continuing love and dedication to each other.
I do.
I do.
Mark, let me kiss your brother. You are now husband and wife. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my great privilege to personally introduce, for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Hendrick.
When I met you, Mark, I had full confidence that this was the man who would love and cherish Lauren fully for the rest of her life. Lauren and Mark, I love you. We all love you. And we're all standing here with you to see this marriage and the destiny of your life succeed.
travel freely and knowing that you have each other. To Mark and Laura,